If I had to start over as a new lawyer, I would be kinder to myself. Ito kasi yan. During the first few months after the oath-taking, it was a really difficult transition for me. Because yes, abogado na ako, pero hindi ko pala alam lahat. Admittedly, I would even take advice from paralegals who have far more litigation experience than I do. And it was so difficult. But the good thing about it is that I became more self-aware that there are a lot of things that I still need to learn apart from the knowledge that I learned from law school and the bar review. So, if I were to start over again as a new lawyer, I would stop expecting myself to know everything immediately. I would stop comparing my first chapter to someone else's 10th year. I would stop treating every mistake like it was proof that I am not enough. Because being new does not mean I'm incapable. It just means that I'm still learning, I'm still growing, and I'm still becoming the kind of lawyer that I want to be. Yeah. If you're new here, hi, I'm Attorney Maf. I'm a full-time litigation lawyer and part-time professor. I simplify legal concepts to help you understand your rights, and I also mentor and guide students through content as they pursue their journey to become a lawyer. Share this video to your friends who are also lawyers, and comment down below if you have any questions about litigation.